If you're doing all the right things, but your body and mood still feels unpredictable, this video is just for you. So let's dive in. Especially if you're midlife, perimenopausal, and absolutely fed up chasing perfection instead of progress. We're told results should be linear, eat better, move more, feel amazing every day, blah, 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 blah. But real life doesn't work like that, especially with hormones involved. Some weeks feel calm and clear, other weeks or days feel emotional, teary, snappy for no reason whatsoever. So that's what's been going on for me. Here's my week 24 or back on it week 2 update. 2 full weeks back on low carb. So what's changed? My appetite's naturally reduced, no forcing, no white knuckling, I'm not fasting aggressively, around 15 hours max, evening to morning, energy's better, not feeling superhuman but stable enough, that I'm feeling consistent, no hardcore cardio workouts but just consistent movement, and my sleep's improved. I'm staying awake until 10 or 11 at night, which tells me my energy's higher, as I definitely can't do that when my diet's not on point. I'm waking naturally around about 6 o'clock. When I eat badly, my appetite, my sleep's terrible. And it's not that. And I'm feeling mentally better. Up until 2 days ago, I felt clear, I felt calm, and I felt positive. Then that classic cycle shift, sudden tears, stress, emotional swings, only clocking on that after consulting my AI therapist in desperation, is like, why am I so all over the place? But it was mid-cycle. Yesterday I felt a bit angry, today I'm feeling back to flat. And I'm not giving myself a hard time for it, it's just mid-cycle, got to be expected. Supplements wise, I'm now on week 2 of consistently using vitamin D3 and K2, omega 3, 6 and 9, magnesium I'm taking in the evening, which is I think is really helping my sleep, and I'm taking lion's mane for my mood and brain function and perimenopause. Nothing extreme, just supportive. And I know it will take a while before I notice anything significant, but even if it is just placebo feel at the moment, they're definitely helping. Physical changes I care about more than weight, even though my weight is down 8 pounds. My blood pressure's down around 10 points systolically and about 4 points diastolically. The diastolic's still high, but meaningfully improved. Inflammation is really down. My trousers and my jumpers tell me that. Thigh fat looks less inflamed. The body feels calmer. Yeah, so all in all, I'm feeling great at the end of week 2 or week 24. And here's the key takeaway that we all need to normalize, really. Progress isn't just scale weight. Energy, inflammation, sleep, blood pressure matter a lot more. Emotional swings don't cancel the progress. You don't need extreme fasting or punishing workouts to improve metabolic health. What works is, I've said this a lot, consistency over intensity. Gentle structure, letting appetite regulate itself, and respecting your cycle, not fighting it. If your body feels calmer, you're winning. Even if every day isn't perfect, I've found it easier not to emotional eat, even when my emotions were roller coastering. And if this kind of honest, no nonsense midlife health tracking helps you, subscribe, watch the playlist linked above for simple fast recipes, and stick with the progress, not the hype. Next week we keep going. Simple focus. Energy, inflammation, sustainability. Not obsession. We're not broken. Our body just needs the right conditions.